goodness. That was bad. Let me just put something in front of this. I don't want it to fall. Okay. So today I'm going to be making, well, again, paper airplanes. Now, if you've always wanted to know how to make one, now's the time. This should take about 5 minutes. The difficulty is at easy, so let's get started. Okay, so what you need is paper, a ruler, which we do not have to add, scissors, and tape. We need to go find this tape, y'all. I don't think I have any tape, but we're gonna waste some minutes trying to find some tape. Lava, chicken. I believe you. You can make paper airplanes without that. Yeah. I don't need that crap. You can make it without tape. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. 6 steps. Let's get started. Okay. So, fold a piece of paper in half, length as accordingly as you can. Make a crease with your fingernail, or can unfold the paper again. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna just cut this off because I don't want that on my paper. This excess. Chicken, la 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 la, chicken. Wah, wah. Okay. So what you're gonna do? Go like this. You're just going to do, and it should be like this. Okay. Like this. That's step 1. Then you're gonna want to unfold it, I'm saying. Yep, unfold the paper. Should be like that. Like a computer. Step 2, fold down the 2 corners so they meet as the center line. Leave the small gap. Okay, let's do this. So I think what they're saying is you're going to do little triangles.
Figure anything out?
The slime failed.
Huh?
The slime failed.
What'd you do to it?
They need cornstarch instead of baking soda. Please. I gotta redo this one. Okay, there we go. That looks right. Okay. Now leave a gap between them, otherwise it will be difficult to. Well, too bad. Difficult to fold the paper again. Okay. Now fold down the edge towards. What does that mean?
Huh?
Now fold down the edge toward the corner line. Again, don't fold it right into the corner line. What does that mean?
So is it this? This
Yeah.
is what they're talking about.
How do you do that?
Huh?
How do you do that?
Like this? You kind of a little bit off there.
Okay. Okay.
You just take this and bend it over to right down through here.
Oh, okay. And then.
See how it is?
Yep, I do.
See how theirs is? Got about that much. We got a little less, but
Oh, okay.
you got to do the other side the same way.
Okay. So. Yep. Now hold on. Make sure. So you basically just.
Huh?
This side.
Yeah, but it does the same way.
Okay. Okay, this isn't bad. I thought this would be harder than I expected. Can I have a bite of a moon pie?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Sorry. It's already coming together. It's like a pizza.
Mm-hmm.
Give me a bite of that. Okay. Step 7. Wait, step. Okay. I was gonna. Step 5. Now fold the paper in half, linked with the folded sections. Oh, so.
The whole thing.
Okay. So then you make it like that. Okay. Number 6. Now fold down the sides, making them fold. Oh wait. Well, you made one type of. Oh, wait.
Oh, I'm gonna go get the trash bag.
Okay. 6. Now fold down the side, making the folded. This is. I think we're on 6 now. I lied. There are 7 parts, not 6. La 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 ba. Chicken. Steve's up a chicken. Ba ba ba. Yeah, we're.
You know how to put in a trash bag?
Yes.
No, you don't. 'Cause this is how you really do it. You put it on this way. Everybody else shows you to put this in first, right? And stretch it over.
Yeah.
This.
That's a weird way to do it.
Huh?
That's a weird way to do it. Okay.
Why? Look. And then you just push it down. And that's the way the bag was designed. But everybody else does it wrong.
Yes, everybody does it wrong. Apparently. I need to get my apple juice. Okay, step 6. Fold down one side, making the bottom of the plane. So I'm guessing. Well, is it saying to put these like bend them like
Where
that?
you at?
Right here. Needed help. Okay, so then you read them. Yep. Then you do it again on the other side. And then,
And then you fold these up like that on each side and you'll be done.
okay.
See how you did this?
Yeah. Oh gosh.
And then you fly it and see if it can hit the TV from there.
I don't think it can do that. Yay! We made it! Okay, let's see. It will
You
reach.
have to look, you have to hold it up here though,
Oh, okay.
when you throw it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't think it's gonna. It's gonna hold it like this. Okay, that works. Yep, that works. Okay. Wee. Oh, it went the other way. Oh, it went all the way to the carpet. That was
It's pretty fun if you get them outside and on a windy day, those things will fly for a good ways.
Let's go, y'all. We're gonna do that. It's pretty windy outside.
It is getting windy, you gotta do it with the wind, don't throw it.
Okay. Okay, y'all. We're going to try outside. This was supposed to take 5 minutes, but it took 8 minutes. And yes, I got some help from my papa. And you might be like, that doesn't count. Well, too dang bad. Let's get started. Oh, look at them. Look at the birds. You ready? Oh, that did not end good. I'll try that again. Okay? It keeps on going that way. The wind is not winding. The wind is not winding. Oh! But the wind is not winding. Wind! Well, this hack is a trip. Wait, what's the opposite of fail? I don't know. Just Drew, it works. The thing is though, if you're not outside on a windy day, it won't go very far. Oh yeah, I don't know. You have to like not throw it hard. You just gotta like that. Yeah, you gotta do that, and that slides down. Okay, y'all. Well, this one works.